Alright, so Leaf Metal Sports Heroes, got 4 and 5 both in this vid. Yeah. Alright, guys, kicking it off. A little HVL. There, loud and clear, Haley Van Lith. So auto for the H spot, James. Little 3 of 8s. Oh, Odell Beckham Jr. Little Sports Heroes orange for the O spot. It's Colin. Cool, 6 of 6. Ooh, Nolan Ryan. Little silver grit. And nice auto. So for the end spot, Blackjack. Okay. The 4, so 4-9. And the O spots. Haley James. It's number 5. So we got 5 left in this PYT wheel case. 3 left in the personal case. Starting it off. Ooh, got a Boozer. Which one? Cameron's the good one, right? They both see. So Caden Boozer. So purple ice. So the C spot, James. So 101 Caden. There's old big Ronnie Coleman. Cool for the R spot, Corey G. Hey, massive. So 1 of 6. Ooh, Mr. Mariano. Very nice. The Heroic Moments 1999 World Series Most Valuable Player. God, what a beautiful autograph. One of the best SIGs in the game. So the M spot, Rousseau. Is it Rousseau? Oh, 6 of 9. Hey now. Oh, gee, big Ronnie. Big boy right there. James the Boozer. Alright, 16. So Holiday hits down to 11. 2 Boys of Summer Baseball down to 13. Obsidian 18. Draft still 16. So Metal Sports 4 and 5. So jumping in, everybody.